Chaga chaga choo choo. Works. What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian with DCCTRAIN LLC Maltrain store in Cincinnati, Ohio. Trying to coming back to my live streams, decoder installation. I opened another channel for live streaming. It's kind of growing, but we'll definitely for long installations. I will go there. This is unusual installation, and I just want to share with you. Hello everyone, Vladimir. I'm broadcasting on my channel for Russian speaking modelists, so it's DCCTRAIN LLC. So you will see some comments here as well. So, but guys, keep your comments for a little bit about the installation. I'll definitely answer your questions, so it won't take long. Then I will do a quick review on the new cars from cylindrical hoppers from our friends Rapido. And this is like short announcement. The only one thing I need to change, couple of things here. Just give me a second. I think we're getting snow in Cincinnati. Again, I'm in my basement right now, going to the store soon, as soon as we're done with this. Unbelievable. Tell me what you have. And yeah, I think I can get it. I think I can. Okay, so here we go. And I think I can get the stream here on the phone, and we should be good to go. Let's get it. Let's go. So guys, tell me if you have a snow. Definitely we in Cincinnati, Ohio again. It's a little bit unusual even for me. Yeah, it's definitely streaming. Top chat. Yeah, and I can get chat here. It's not very big, but that's okay. All right. So, Nariman, how are you, my man? All right. This is an announcement, guys. For I did it a while ago, but I just don't have a chance to do it. Actually, I did it recently. Let's see. No, it should be working. So, this is ESU Mobile Control 2 with engine driver install. All right. Pause that thing. All right. And now it's working totally after the version of Rail engine driver latest version. And I'll do that. I want to invite you for that presentation. Fully review what I did, what's working, what's fixed. It's working with Digitrax. What's this? LNWI, the wireless unit. Okay, your wireless node on a network with any Digitrax system. In that point, I'm using Zephyr, so it will be an announcement. I'll probably make that stream available in a couple of hours, maybe late today, maybe tomorrow, but very soon. I'm very excited about it. Okay, so let's go back to installation, and we definitely having fun. No questions. All right, Alexander, how are ya? Yeah, we have a lot of guys from all the Soviet Union republics and Russia right now. So cool. We're not doing politics here. We have like very good relationship modelers. So we don't care. Cool. Let's get started. Let me put this away. Because it's so cool how the new mobile control 2 working with Digitrax. It's still a lot of rumors how the small display, but again, it's no problem. All right, so I have Shay. So my customer used it for years, and one day, not sure about. At least I did something with it. I did like decoder installation a long time ago. Maybe no. Maybe I just don't honestly remember. Don't want to speculate. So anyway, the reason of it's kind of unique troubleshooting, and that took me a while. Good morning, Randy, Rock, and Roll Railroad. Here I go. Let me check the. That's correct, Vladimir. This is I'm using Restream for both channels. All right. All right. Yeah. So in English, yes. So it's in English, and it's just streaming to Russian channel. All right, because I think it's more audience, especially for that scale in English-speaking guys. All right. So the weird stuff. I didn't expect the motor failure. Okay, but that's what it is. I already opened the box for you, meaning I'm telling you, but I'll tell you real quick what's happening. So, what's happened before? It was Luxant version 3.5, so it was a while ago, literally like 6, 7 years ago, maybe more. Because ESU introduced Select almost like 10 years ago, plus minus. Correct me if I'm wrong, but again, it was a while. So if Select, I have no questions to put Select, but it wasn't at that time, so it was a while ago. So what's happened? Customer said it's working, and it's kind of stopping, working and stopping, working and like moving a little bit and stopping. My first concern, it makes the chuff because the decoder for Steam must be synchronized with commutator. Okay, if you just cannot run it without motor attached to it. All right, that's how they adjusting the revolution and speed and chuffs. You can synchronize. All right, or you can put like a contact. That's a different story. That's a story for another day. And yes, what I did, I swap immediately decoder. It was board, so I get rid of the board. That's where I'm kind of concerned. I don't think so. I did that installation before, but anyway, maybe some did it remodel my stuff. Again, that was years ago. That's the board. You need to get rid of this stuff, guys. It's just me again, so it should be clean. Don't need any electronics for. It's not really electronics. Although those passive elements for EMI, because decoder has the fully EMI, and we're in a digital TV right now. Okay. Good morning, sir. Valerie Railroad on the English channel right now. Strongly recommend, guys, check his channel, Valerie Railroad. I'll put the link, and he probably just Vlad come back, and after that just put a comment. N-Scale, his own private. I don't want to say phantom. It's the name belongs to his wife. N-Scale, very high tech modeler. Okay, Valerie Railroad, guys. Check the guy out. It's very cool stuff. So, Vladimir saying it's typical for Bachmann. Well, actually, it's not anymore. It may be for just the Bachmann by itself, but this is Spectrum, and I never expect that, honestly. Okay, and I did a couple of hundred installations, even Bachmann. So I put the decoder, spent some time, and it was on for Russian speaking modelers channel. I thought maybe just for interest, for them. I don't think so. It's very popular in Russia anyway. So I switched the decoder, the engine running just few inches and stopping, something like this. So I thought, like, what's going on? I dig to the bottom, took everything apart. There are some parts here. I'm not going to show you assembly. I just show you what can happen. So then I found out there is an issue with that steam mechanism assembly. Some pieces just broke. Okay. Again, is that causing the problem? I don't know. It's just speculation. I think that. So I asked customer to order. Yeah, this is broken piece right here. That. I asked customer to get the motor because the motor actually stopped working. It's working, but very, very, maybe it's not unusual for Bachmann again, but I don't think so. I remember I saw them a couple of times. So it's spinning, accelerating a little bit and dropping down. Spinning, again, accelerating, dropping down. In about 10 seconds, you can smell burning brushes, very specific smell. And then in another like 2-3 seconds you see some sparkling. So my guess, something happened mechanically with this assembly. Okay. And the motor's still old. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to change the motor and we'll test everything. So I got the motor like this in assembly. I don't know how I'm going to assemble. Probably just swap the motor. For that I need to take everything apart, but actually not really, because it's all complete. Yes, it's all complete assembly. My concern, no, it should be good. Should be good. The polarity thing, but I'm assembling exactly, just swapping the motors and see what's happened. All right, so here we go. Hello, guys. I might say wrong name of your railroad or whatever your name on YouTube. Scrumpton's model trains. Sorry again. SIRR production. Hello. Bachmann Spectrum Climax in HO also has gear malfunctions and motor stalls. It's not just you. Okay. And laughing out loud. Okay, yeah, means again, guys, I did a lot of installations. What people doing after that? I just guessing. They don't want to come back to me and saying like, hey, outs, I dropped the thing, some of them, yes. So I don't know the history. If I know history, it will be easy for me. but it's tough. Okay, let's see, check our chat here. Yeah, so mostly guys move to that channel. Anyway, yeah, the history of the drama, what's happened with your locomotive, that definitely, it's maybe shame, but what's the word, so you're not feeling comfortable to say about it, but it definitely helps. So anyway, what we're going to do right now, I'm turning my fancy schmancy soldering station, which is I'm using, and I'm so happy. It's at home at my workbench. I'm working more from home right now. Maybe it will be it's expensive unit, but I think I'm okay at the store. Okay. Classic situation for Bachmann. I have SD70, that Vladimir, SD70 Ace from Bachmann, and he has also motor problem, right? So no one wants to tell what mistakes they have made with their locos. Yeah, but I totally understand. I'll tell. So every time I'm something screwing up, I'll tell. Not in this world, in general. Yes, it helps a lot. Just my tip today. So we have 510. I'm usually using fan. It's not really. It's just like portable fan sucking fumes, but for that purpose, and I strongly recommend to do it. But for that purpose, we just needed two soldering points. So I can see the quality of the brass. It's probably kind of combination brass or whatever. Probably the cheapest they can get. I'm not happy what I'm seeing. What you need, definitely flux. It's not tutorial for soldering, but guys, no flux, it's just no good work. No way. So I can solder with any soldering gun, but better just gives you like the best performance. So first I want to see how maybe we can zoom a little bit. Let's see if we can zoom. Oh yeah, I'm using nice camera, just regular camcorder, okay, but with the big lens, and that gives me an opportunity to with capturing device, opportunity to. I should put a 510. What should be good? It's 510. Yes, see my. You don't need to hold it for long because it will be affecting the brush. That should do it. All right, so if you're just putting like solder with the whatever flux in this solder, it's no work, guys. It's nothing gonna work. You can scratch it a little bit, but that's fine, just a little bit. But good flux will destroy that oxidized film over that brass contact. Yeah, it's not avionics soldering, but still, you need like good contact. Let's put a little bit more on this side. Just a little bit. Touch. Yeah, that should do it. See, it's shiny. The temperature is good. This is shiny as well, so we're good to go. Good to go. Let's get it. I need shrink tube, and I think I supposed to be yes. That should do it. Yes, so that size is good. Just need to cut it. They're using a little bit bigger one. This is probably 2 millimeters shrink to 1.2. See, it's easy in millimeters. Just cutting pieces like that. Okay, bunch of talking. They were those are oh, 3-pole motors. Okay, after that, as soon as I solder and we test it real quick, okay, I'm going to open old motor. I'm assuming, again, it's just speculation. I think it's 5, but we'll look. It's running actually very smooth when everything's cool, okay? So here, the wire's kind of a little bit short. Maybe you guys not gonna really watch what I'm doing. Sorry about that, but I just don't want to mess with it, okay? Maybe I'll cut. We'll see. Take that shrink tubing. Oh. Yeah, I think I'm just going to pre-cut it and kind of strip it. Yeah, get some good X-Acto knife, I'm just going to cut it. Be careful with the wire, so cut it from side where there is no Here we go. So I definitely don't want to cut the insulation, and definitely you need like very nice tweezers, because I didn't cut through, I believe. Yes, I didn't, but that's good. That will be good. See, the soldering point here is just terrible. It's like no flux. Really, ooh, I a little bit dripping my solder, my flux. Sorry about that. Hold on. This is my showing off mat, but I can clean it easily. You know, it's not a big deal. It's very good quality, made in Japan. Ushida cutting mat, translucent, whatever it is. Okay, so now one wire, they mark it with the white. See the white? Yeah, we need to get rid of this. Maybe oops, make it a little bit shorter. This, and I just touch off the contact here. Yeah, wires also very low quality, whatever the cheapest they can get. I'm not blaming, I'm just saying. So that's what's going on. Sorry guys, if I'm not reading comments right now, you just need to hold on the comments. I'll read them all and I answer questions, but not when I'm doing installation. You can chat with each other, absolutely no problem. Make new friends, that's what we're here for. Alright. Oh, this is terrible. This is just, I don't know what the guy watching movie or something when he's like, I don't know, it's like turning head and like soldering that. Unbelievable. Okay, so the white piece, the white is going on the side of the motor without logo. Okay, remember that. So white, no logo. I can reprogram in the decoder. I can actually, it's not big deal if I messed up. So I can, at the end, means those wires going out to the tender, okay? And I can switch them inside, so it's not really big deal. Cut it here. All right. Oh, and after that, right away, about in 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, we'll look at the hoppers, cylindrical hoppers. Okay, so we're definitely opening it very quick after that. Okay, so get rid of this. You need like small thing, like small container for junk. Usually I have it here. Yeah, so definitely need to clean my last week a little bit tough with my job and full-time job, means full-time job and at the store when we have tons of stuff coming today. Actually, I'll try to broadcast, see what's going on, just short update. You're putting your shrink tubing back, okay? It can be a little bit further because the wire get cold, they get hot, and your shrink tubing can, if it's good quality shrink tubing, it will shrink. I guarantee. All right. Hey, CSX, yo, 8840, what's up, my man? Stay tuned. After that, we'll review Rapido hoppers. Okay. So we do it like that. Chop, chop. Crazy Russian. Oh, good. I'm happy how it turns. Shrink tube, you can wait few seconds, you know, but you need to wait a little bit more because it's still hot and it's a good quality shrink tubing stuff. It shrinks immediately and you cannot pull it down. Yeah, so this is opposite and a little bit again, not a lot of room, but we can do it, no questions. Just be careful with the temperature and time you holding your soldering gun in that area because it affect the brush hold because it's all plastic and kind of inexpensive stuff. Oh, done. Okay. If you guys let me know if you need more tutorials about soldering stuff, I did, but again, nobody going to like search for the videos. Yeah, I can do it. It's not big deal. Technology pretty much the same. Yes, that's good. Okay, I'm not gonna put any heat on that thing. No way. So theoretically, you can see probably the gear like here, and nothing. Oh, it's not good. Maybe catching. We'll just put it like that, and you probably can see a little bit of that gear. Is it? Yeah, you'll see it, and it will be moving. Okay, you definitely see this gear moving. Yes, the small gear. All right. So here I go. Okay, you guys like this loco, man, maybe 10 years old. Whatever the first run of them, that's it. So 10 years at least. Beginning, yeah, 2000, oh yeah, yeah, definitely. 2008, 2009, 10, something like this. Yeah, so it is old. Means for model train stuff. It's not a brass again. It's good quality for. Oh, we have a bunch of chat. Mm-hmm. Um, I'm getting a little bit gentleman saying it's not it's not in Russian. The reason, guys, it's not in Russian because I can do it only once. Okay, so bear with me. You just watch what I'm doing, and that's it. All right. It's kind of old. Yes, I agree. Uh-huh. Need tutorial on changing lighting functions with the log programmer. Okay. Actually, yes. Good call because I'm going to do. It will be in English again because I'm going to update Ecos firmware to new one. See how's all everything working with the throttles. The mobile control 2 will do Sprog PI full with a Raspberry Pi full system test. We'll do Digitrax. Yes, that's the plan, guys, and definitely programming. It's because it's changed a lot. All right, moment of truth. Okay, guys. I have contacts here not insulated, but again, I strongly recommend means to cover everything. I'm doing it for a living. I'm doing it a lot. I'm cool. Actually, let's turn it like that so you definitely can see the gear better. Okay, but I strongly recommend to like insulate a lot of decoder burning stuff, just like not paying attention to your setup. That's it. So what we need a black and red wire from the decoder. I have them here. Okay. I definitely not gonna assemble everything online. No, that's maybe in the evening on live channel. Yes, if you guys nothing to do, but no, not here for sure. So this is like main, just moment of truth. So I have just I don't know. It's from Radio Shack. Those alligator clips. I think you can get it in different electronic stores. It's kind of era of like home soldering and just having projects at home. Yeah, is over. Means the Radio Shack is out of business, so you need like good electronics store, and we don't have it here. Not sure, but again, everything online, guys, right now. So, okay, I'm hooking up. Show you how I'm hooking. See, like this. I'm holding that guy over the other guy here. All right, and they just cannot short. Just cannot cross each other. Maybe a little bit messy, but that's what it is. Okay, maybe no, zooming is good. So what we need to check, how's the gear is moving like equally and good respond. Okay, so I have a decoder here on the programming track. I'm using Rocco system. Okay, Rocco multi-mouse. I did tutorials. I can do more. It's great. Z20. This is not Z21. This is all command station, but it's just great. Okay. This is for running, and for testing I have black box or lens. Lens is the best, and we got our distributor back for lens. Okay. Lens is great for testing, especially when you guys doing installation. So we're doing F8 program direct. I hear it's moving and it's good, solid, like before. 03. Okay, we good. Now, make sure I'm not turning lights here or any functions, because some wires they lose, but they still insulated. That's another issue. You just need that before you testing everything. You cutting completely and just putting a little bit of that dielectric and insulator of the wire, kind of covering everything. Okay, so switching to programming track, double pole, double throw switch, or double throw, double pole, whatever it is. So one output, two inputs. Click, 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 click. After this, I'll read all comments. It should be sound too. Generic sound from, we don't need the sound. Maybe we need, yes. I'm not putting generator or anything. Just generic sound. I didn't program decoder yet. I'm going to program and test it. Yes, so let's go. First step. You see it clearly. Yes. I definitely didn't get that with the old one. In about that 10-15 seconds, the smoke comes out like sparks, and it starts smoking more. Yes, it's very smooth and very nice. That's what we need, guys. Bingo. And decoder not adjusted at all. I'm gonna stop right now, and we'll open the motor. I need to put my special oil and like make everything cool, test it more, not assembling. Then I need to spend some time to figure out how to assemble it properly and like put everything together. You will see testing of that locomotive on a testing my testing thing. Okay, so you have written a lot of Rapido Snack is gone. Okay, sorry. When I was kid, my dad. Okay, I just Scrumption's model train. SMT. If you don't mind, I'll call you SMT. When I was kid, my dad would take me to Radio Shack to buy me a wire for my model railway. Yes. Now you're going to DCC train store to get all your stuff. Yes, flux, soldering, soldering gun, solder, wires, etc., etc., etc. Okay, what are you doing? XXNXT Lego XS XX. Wow, I just call you XS XX. Man, I'm replacing motor in On30. It's O scale, but like on narrow gauge locomotive. Come back tune to the live broadcast later. It will be presentation for. We can turn that thing off. Presentation for new cylindrical hoppers. And next time I will just we guys test that engine. All right, so. They would last much longer. Sorry. I wonder why they can't just put brushless motors with an inverter. My man, I think it's a price. Still brushless motors and that technology as well. So they need a made. It's extra steps and the price goes up. Okay, so. Yeah, I mean, I have no questions with the brushless motors, but I think they still like 3 or 4 times more expensive. And you cannot get the junk because technology of brushless motors, they just cannot make junk. And again, maybe they switch to different manufacturer. Just my 10 cents. Okay, nice job, my friend. Sounds great. All right, thank you. As I said, it was a high gear ratio. Oh, it's like Vladimir talking about to somebody else, guys. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, I'll take this out because it can be messy, okay? I zoom out the camera real quick, like that, and put my heavy-duty soldering thing. Again, this is just nothing. I can wipe it. It's completely not affecting by oil or any of the junk. But now we're going to open it. All right, here it goes. That's my mat. That's soldering for soldering. So that's our motor. Just take that thing away. I'm not sure. I'm not decided yet, guys. Maybe I will do installation online. I don't know. Means full installation, or where I'm going the other way. Unfortunately, this camera has no remote control. But it's okay. I think we're good. So let's get it. Let's go. See any comments? Sorry if I'm missing the comments from. I'm broadcasting using Railstream to my Russian for Russian speaking modelers, but you guys just stay tuned here. There's not a lot of them knowing about it. They're visiting that channel very often, but now probably. All right, so get some good screw driver, not like cheapy, because it might zap. Again, I'm not going to put it back, so I really don't care right now how it turns. If it breaks or something. We cool. We should be good. Yeah, and those motors, man. What the technology also like years ago. Same pretty much. Be careful with this definitely. With a screwdriver. Oh, I know what to do. Now we can use a little bit pliers to pull it up. Again, I don't care if it breaks. Yeah, use that better rubbery stuff, you know. Here we go. Oh, this guy kind of messed up a little bit. It's okay. I think I can open, but no. I don't want to really destroy. I still want a little bit looking good. I think I got it. All right. Let's go those pliers. It's still holding. There we go. Okay, moment of truth. 5 of 3. Not a Bachmann. It was high gear ratio. Okay, manufacturers tend to over lubricate their locos. Not a Bachmann. They have a very bad lubricant. That's true. Yes, if you have Bachmann, guys, to open it up, possible, especially for this a lot of gear stuff. Take that old stuff out. I have a story. I'll tell you a story. Remind me one time. 3-pole. No kidding. Wow. So decoder. Wow, wow, wow. 3 poles. But what's going on here? The brushes looks like kind of bad. Yeah, they kind of really bad. Yeah. Yeah, the whole thing is the actual the bearing not bad. Yeah. But the whole sheboing is it's has a balance which is not just like assembled. Yes, so they balance it at least. But again, yes, it's probably like you lucky or not. Lucky or not to get that thing working. Oh, see, nice zoom of the real camera thing. We can put a little bit more lights even here. Yeah. So, sorry about that. That's really... No, the bearing is not bad again, but brushes, yeah, all together. But again, for high speed and the purpose of the motor, it's okay, I guess. Hopefully they change it to something different. All right, guys, let's wrap it up. I'll do another presentation right after, like 3-4 minutes after that. Give me like a small break. I'll definitely do it. We'll do here we go. Maybe this will help. Here we go. Bam. So I have a lot of lights. New cylindrical hoppers from Rapido. Cool. Thanks for coming. Let me check. Yeah, 3-pole. Wow. Yeah. I don't think so. SMT, my man, I think it will be, means I can break it, no problem, but I think they have like very good press. We'll try real quick and call a day. All right, top, we'll put top. Get this. You need definitely protective glasses. I have my magnified glass, but still, guys, you need definitely something to protect your glasses. So let's see. Yeah, now I'm going to just destroy it pretty much. No, no way. It's like thermal, I think it's thermal. No, I don't think so. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, hold on one second. I have another set of pliers. Maybe I can do it, maybe not. If not, oh well. I'm not gonna show you here. Just step up, step out, get my stuff together. No way, Jose. Yeah. Well, the look, the armature, it's kind of okay. Again, it's overall not really good, you know, not really good. But they're working. So anyway, cool guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my. It will be in the description, and I think it will be always pulling like here the how's it called, cards to live channel. Okay, we'll be back here. Just small break, and I'll start over with cylindrical hoppers rapido. Thanks for coming. Thanks for supporting business. Have a good one. Bye. Chaga chaga choo choo.